Right now. Ooh. Oh, wow. I honestly really wonder what happened. Oh my gosh, look at it. It smashed a bit. Hey yo, what's up? It's me, Dylan Plays Planes, back with another video. Today we'll be playing Cars vs. Trains. And if you're new, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get on with the video. I believe, hopefully in this game, you crash cars into trains like it says. Let's see. Indiosa, nope. Let's go up to, what is this? Australia. Actually no. Let's go up to the UK, because why not? Let's call the train. Let's watch this car get smashed. Right. The level crossings are going down. Where is it? Uh-oh. I'm frozen in the tracks. Nope. Uh-oh. Well, I guess I'll cut the video until the train comes. Oh, actually, I think I hear it now. Coming now. Nope. It's just the car. See you guys when my car's getting smashed then. Right now. Ooh. Oh, wow. I honestly really wonder what happened. Oh my gosh, look at it. It smashed a bit. Oh. Question is, oh, never mind, actually. I was gonna see if I could still drive it, but nope. Stream out, can I? I don't even know what song this is. Hoping this isn't copyrighted, so I'm actually not. So what car should we smash next? Let's see, we have like a van. A very suspicious van over there. Yeah, let's do that one. I honestly, because these ones are like different, I wonder what happens if these. Oh, we actually have like buttons. Let's go this way. What? Okay. Oh, the Russian one. That's finished. Where's the train though? It's all the way down there. Are you actually kidding me? No, it's gone. Oh well, I guess we have to go off-roading. That actually worked to my surprise. What is this? Turkey, is it? I'm not too sure. Let's go over to France here. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? Off! Please, please. Yes, I'm very curious to see what happens with these vans, because they're like different models to the ones like made out of actual like terrain blocks. Let's see. It's lagging. What's going on? Cars on the tracks. Things going. If you know what that means, make sure to like this video. I have the comments disabled, so you're not able to like comment, but if you know what that means, like the video. And if you speak whatever language you speak in France, French, I'm sorry, I don't know why I said that. I know what, just forget it. No, I got crushed. This time I'm gonna stand on top of it. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'll survive. I take that back. Wait a minute! What? Oh, wow. Can we, please? Why did my van disappear? Do I have to be in it? Why am I not dying? What's this? Crossing creation. Well, I guess shout out to them. Shout out to what's their names? SSB Chase YT, Hoppin, and I can't read that. But yeah, shout out to you for making this crossing. Let's see what you guys made. I was not expecting that sound from a button. Watch it. It's like, hey, psst. I don't like that sound. Well, I guess let's go to the... I don't know how to pronounce that Republic. And let's see what they have. Man, I really want a car. Come on. I'm gonna reset myself. Well, oh, no, I do not want to invite any friends. Well, let's head to the next one. Let's see, let's go, go, go. Oh my gosh, why is that car doing 360s? Wait, I just want to let you guys know I have several Roblox games out there which you can go ahead and check out. Now back to the video. I'll explain it, but... stupid Russian one. Alright, come on, please, get me free, get me free. Oh, there's a car right there. Yes, please, 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 please. Okay, let's see if his car gets smashed. I think I heard it. Yep. Okay. Oh, that thing. Oh, poor car. My poor car. My poor car. And I did not mean to do that. Well, I guess on that musical note, I always say note, so I want to switch it up a little bit. Let's end today's video here. Goodbye.